Hi there, it's Caroline, Queen of Scraps. I'm just showing you some cards we made in the Loveitchopit class today. We made 8 cards in class, and these are my ones that I made. You've already seen this one. This was one I made before the class as a sample, and then I made these other ones. So I've used some holographic paper. I've made some of the planets myself. I've cut some out of the DSP. I've got some little stars from the dies, and these I've decorated the inside with some leftover bits. This one, guess what I used to stamp the astronaut? It wasn't anything from Stamping Up. I love to repurpose some things, and first person to guess right, I'll send you a card. Might even sell this one because you'd be stellar. There we go. And a couple of them as an optional extra with this one. I demonstrated how to do this, or there was enough materials in the kit to make one like this too. So it's just a very simple little W pop-out fun fold, and we created this. So this was lots of fun, and I mostly did that one in the class, before the class, and this one I did, and this is another one. I've used the same material again here, and I think it's quite effective. So reach for the stars. That's also a great phrase. So those are the 4 cards I've got put together, 2 with the Z fold, the W fold inside, and 2 that have just got a plain inside. And I've used this with another kind of retro look sentiment from a retired set. So you can see there's lots of fun with these. Hope you enjoy looking at them and they give you some inspiration.